What is up, everyone? So today is a big day. We're finally installing the lights in the unit. As you guys know, it's pretty dark in there, and I've been trying to put up lights for a while now. Finally have a good day that we can pull the cars out and go get the scissor lift and we can get them up. Of course, I went to Lowe's and didn't film it. It felt too awkward. So, hopefully this will be enough. I got a bunch of stuff. Really hoping the circuit that the big lights are on now are 120. I don't know if they are. Fingers crossed that they are, or else my life might suck tonight. The fact that the car is like 7 different colors looks like shit, but really loving these wheels. Gotta spend like a whole afternoon cleaning these because they're gross. Not bad though. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, then you're probably confused, but I got new wheels for the BMW. They look sick. Well, my battery's dead. I could have guessed that one. Time to push. God damn! All my cars are so filthy. Oh, look at it. She's filthy. They're all filthy. I should wash them. I should do a lot of things, but the garage feels absolutely insane. Like, every time I take a car out, it feels massive in here.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Well, there it is. Somehow someone let me rent a scissor lift. This thing's kind of sketchy. So I rented it from a place that's literally like next door, and I just kind of drove it over here. The thing goes like half a mile per hour, and it took me like 20 minutes just to drive it over here. This thing's kind of sketchy, but it's cool. I'm about to take some like really cool like artsy like bird's eye shots of everything, but they're like sticks. They told me I gotta keep playing with it. Oh fuck. Switch it over. Woo-wee. This is sketchy. All right, guys. Fun fact about me: my biggest fear is heights. It's kind of ironic since I'm 6'4", but I'm about 10 feet in the air and I'm freaking out. Oh my god. Well, there it is, guys. The world's flat. Proven right now. Oh my god, this thing is freaking me out. Guys, the first step of changing these oh god. So the first step of changing these lights is to make sure that the plug, if it'll go up, this thing's broken. So, oh boy. So the first thing, I'm gonna just wait. Alright guys, so the first thing when we're going to change this plug for the lights is to make sure that this circuit is a 120 volt circuit and not a 220 volt because the lights can't handle that. And I was freaking out because I saw the circular plug and I was like, great, that's a 220, this sucks, my life's gonna suck. I looked at the light and it's 120, so this is just a 120 like circle connector. What's nice about this, I've noticed, is like it goes in and twists so it can't come out, which makes sense because it's, you know, vertically plugged. Now, I'm not an electrician, but I know enough to do this, and I think we'll be all set. So I'm gonna be changing this box out to regular, like, 3 straight plug wire, and that circular plug sounds really nice now because it makes sense, because it just locks in, but screw it. We're gonna change that right now and go from there. What do you think, DJ?
About what?
The new whip.
It's pretty dope.
Right? Catch me at Lock City. So I put the new sockets in, double splitter John right there. Now, I never found mounts for the chains at Home Depot, but luckily there's like 800 of the mount hooks up there for some reason. So I just stole those. So I guess it's time to hang a light. I think I'm gonna just try it in like force. I wanna put one up now just to see it, so hopefully I do this right. I really hope that works. It seems legit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Show 'em the other one.
Yeah, I'm confident.
Alright, the light is dumb crooked. I'll fix it in a second. It's so bad.
Look at this lineup. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Oh my god, that thing is so perfect.
Alright guys, I think we're on there. It's a little bit more to the left than I'd kind of want it to be, but the clips are a pain in the ass to move, and You think it's good?
Yeah, because look at the center light, and then you're gonna put one right.
Ooh-wee.
Did that do anything?
Yes, Donald. All right, guys. So I just ended up getting a few of these like workshop replacement cords. They basically just click right into the connectors on the light, makes my life a lot easier instead of making it. Just this 10-foot section. I got the typical hook and hangers to hang the lights, and it's really about it. So I have to set all of them up. It's not too bad. This one's all set up. I have to bend these hangers to make them actually work. Kind of sketchy. I don't know. It works. So I'm gonna get this one in the air, hang it up, and then I'm gonna put the bulbs in because I don't know. I'm scared to like smash one trying to put it up. So let's try part 2.
Missed me, bit.
Guys, the second one is up. This one is this is exactly how I want it. This one looks great. I'm happy with this one. So I'm getting eager, so we're gonna shut the door and see how bright they get. The lights have warmed up and it's so bright in here. Holy shit. It feels like we're in Walmart. So this is like a dark corner and then, damn! This thing is not easy. This thing's broken.
Jimmy the electrician out here.
Got the third one done. Now time for the fun part, the hanging up part. And DJ is now putting in more speakers.
She got a hit. Boy, look at that angle. Oh my god. Look at that. It's slammed and has hella angle.
It's getting so much brighter in here. We got one more light to go, and I think I'll really complete it. I mean, look how much brighter the engine bay looks. I know you guys watch every day, so you know like how dark it usually looks in the engine bay. And imagine once we get one more light above it.
Look at this man's. No, not that part. Don't do that part.
Luckily, I'm tall as shit, so I got long ass arms, so I could just reach the last one, so we're good. There it is, guys. The last light is fully put together. Got the cord on it, got the hangers and the bulbs in it, so ready to hang her up, and I gotta climb up here now. Hopefully I don't drop it on my freaking windshield. Donald!
Yeah.
I need help!
No.
This thing's fucking broken.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Ah! It is so freaking bright in here now. Look at this. The engine bay, it looks like the engine bay is so exposed. That would have been really, really nice to have when we were doing all the metal work, but you know what? It looks good, and when we paint it, we're not gonna have any blind spots now. What do you think, DJ?
I think it's great.
You think it's great?
It's great.
Oh. This is what being an adult is all about, guys. Freaking out. Oh, I was expecting some weird stuff on the roof.
Nothing?
No, all the roofs are clean. Dude, we could film like the coolest car feature up here. Where's Mike Devine when you need him?
Right? Might come through.
Woo-wee.
You doing up
Dude,
there?
I just found a fucking crack pipe in the ceiling. I swear to God. I went to go take this fucking light down, and there's a fucking crack pipe up here. DJ, catch this shit. Don't break it.
I don't want to touch this shit.
Dude.
That's it. Charboy and all.
That's fucking hilarious. Well, Adam.
Yeah.
I got the pipe if you got the pipe. That's so bad, dude. What else is, where did this even, I was literally trying, guys, I was shaking this light down because there's like a random light tucked back here, and all of a sudden it just fell.
There's probably more.
Alright, let's see what else is up here. The fuck?
Probably nothing good because he's smoking crack, so we can't have that. Much of nice shit. I'll put it in your glove box. Don't do drugs, kids. What do you think?
That's a big difference, dude.
Yeah, you noticed it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, as soon as I pulled up, you could notice it.
Yeah, you
That's
noticed
insane.
it. We found something for you.
What is it?
It's a crack pipe.
Huh.
I found it in the ceiling.
Sick. I want to know if how long this has been up there. Like.
Help, RJ! Oh, fuck. Oh, damn it. Not the Saturn. Damn it. I want to do the light bulbs. Should we do the light bulbs? Make this parking lot lit? I'm trying to better my community right now. Well, damn, we just missed all that. What did you just go through, DJ?
Miserable. I had to replace this whole like line right here because it was like old. You know how they get when they get old, they get deteriorate.
And it was pissing fuel and we had no idea. That's probably why our gas mileage was junk from Florida.
There was a bunch of reasons why our gas mileage was junk.
True. Dude, I cannot get over how bright it is in here.
This whole freaking video has been about installing light bulbs, and I'm not even mad about it. I'm pretty stoked. I just changed all the fucking light bulbs in the units because all the lights were out, and now it's bright in this bitch. Stoked. Really gotta get my money's worth out of this stupid scissor lift. Just such a pain in the ass. But I got new bulbs for that light back there because they're like old and yellowy, even though they don't need it because it's bright as all living hell in here. So we're gonna change them out.
Hey, RJ.
Stop.
There he is all lit.
Jesus Christ. Why? Why?
I got 4.
You just finished cleaning.
My eye! My leg! Don't breathe in that powder, it's really dangerous.
No.
We're gonna have ants everywhere. Do you like ants, Jimmy? 'Cause this is how we get ants. Look at all that. Thank you, RJ.
You're welcome.
Move. Move. That. Z.
She's kind of clean.
Crack pipe in the ceiling. Do you see it?
That's sick.
You want to smoke some crack?
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay. But guys, all right. As you can tell, we got all the cars in.
It spontaneously decided to pour outside, so we got everything in just in time.
And holy crap, like, I'm really, like, it took us a while to really notice how much brighter it was in here, mainly when it got dark out, but it kind of, the only thing that sucks now is now all my paint looks horrible. I gotta wash all my cars full detail. I mean, this is another story, but who knows, but having fun, DJ?
No, just shut it off. I can't come down.
All right, guys, I have this until 2 o'clock tomorrow. I'm gonna drop this video around 12, hopefully. And we need ideas of what we could do with the last hour of this freaking scissor lift. Hurry, let us know. Comment quick.
Some ideas, but nothing too crazy because I'm injured, so keep it to like a minimum.
So we finally had the shop lights up, and of course it's bright as all hell. I've been going off about it all day, and somehow someone let me rent a scissor lift.
And it's definitely been an interesting experience.
So that's about it for today. It was a fun day. It was a long day, but there it is. I don't know. S13 engine bay is getting painted Thursday. I cannot wait. Tomorrow's gonna be all about prepping it. I'm gonna have to do a lot of sanding, making sure that primer is perfect so the paint comes out perfect. And it's just way too much for a drift car. But it's a good learning experience, and I'm learning a lot with it. I cannot wait to really get painting down. I'll get there soon enough. But until then, got a lot of work to do on a lot of these cars. I want to get them registered this week, and I want to get them on the road.
These two, to be exact.
So, I don't know. I'll stop rambling and call it a night so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good night.